Corvette has always been America's answer to the exotic supercar. But the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, it might just be the best one yet. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we dive into the latest cars redefining the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8, a machine that blends raw performance with cutting-edge innovation, all without breaking the bank. Design. Chevy's kept the mid-engine layout that turned heads back in 2020, but this year's model sharpens the look with sleeker aerodynamics, refined LED lighting, and subtle tweaks to the front and rear fascias. It's aggressive, yet surprisingly elegant. The low-slung stance, wider intakes, and new forged wheel designs complete the look of a true modern-day supercar. Performance. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, the C8 still roars. The base Stingray comes with a 6.2-litre V8, pumping out 500 horsepower, while higher trims push even further thanks to performance upgrades and hybrid assistance. 0 to 60, just under 3 seconds, depending on the model. The dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, and the revised suspension delivers sharper handling and a smoother ride. Features and tech. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit gets even better. The 2026 model features an upgraded infotainment system with a crisper display, faster response, and wireless everything. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. New driver assist features like adaptive cruise and enhanced lane keep bring a touch of luxury to the adrenaline. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 isn't just fast. It's smart, stylish, and more refined than ever. Whether you're a long-time Corvette fan or just love great engineering, this one's worth a serious look. Thanks for listening to Next Gen Reviews. If you enjoyed the breakdown, drop a comment, hit that like button, share it with a fellow car lover, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. See you in the next one.